So, since Tyler's too little to go outside and play in the snow, and Daddy's outside shoveling, and Mommy's doing laundry, Tyler's hanging out in this really cool little jumper. Yeah, do you like it? Is it cool? What's that? What's that? Thursday, you're going to be 3 months old. 3 months old. I can't get over that. And before we know it, you'll be staying with Miss Amanda during the day and the girls, and Mommy will be back at work. But that's okay. We have to save up for college, right? And maybe a trip to Disney. Yeah. In a few years. You have that alfalfa hair going on again today. Yeah? Are you making the kangaroo bounce? Making the kangaroo bounce? Yeah. Yeah. Mommy loves you. Oh, nice Julie. Let's look out the window, see what the snow looks like. Wonder when Lucy's going to be outside. Wonder if Lucy's going to come out and play in a little bit. Couple more years you can play in the snow. Yeah. Would you like that? Yeah, you'd like that. Okay, Mommy's gonna do some laundry, okay? Yeah. You're just having a blast in that. You're just having fun, aren't you? You're getting the hang of it. Look at those little feet go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure if you're too bobbly head for that. We might have enough for one day. Uh-huh. We've had enough for one day.